Early systolic murmur. Early systolic murmurs begin with or shortly after the first sound and peak in the first third of systole. Early murmurs have the greatest intensity in the early part of the cycle. The commonest cause is the innocent murmur of childhood, to be discussed later. A small ventricular septal defect, VSD, occasionally causes an early systolic murmur. The early systolic murmur of a small VSD begins with S1 and stops in mid-systole, because as ejection continues and the ventricular size decreases, the small defect is sealed shut, causing the murmur to soften or cease. This murmur is characteristic of the type of children's VSD located in the muscular portion of the ventricular septum. This defect may disappear with age. This next example presents such a murmur. Listen next to the sounds taken from a 20-year-old female with a small muscular VSD. The recording was taken at the left lateral sternal border.